This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel.
Okay, when you're in a project, how you add any different schema to your project is you just hit the Create New button, and it's going to pop in over here. There are a few fields that you must fill out to be able to save it, and then they'll save to your project, but they're the same for all. Just Create New, pops over here. You can fill out a few fields to save to your project. To remove a schema type from within a project, you'll just click on the little X button next to the schema you would like to remove. And now that schema has been removed from this project. To permanently delete a schema from the database, that's where you'll use the schema folder. So you'll come down to the schema that you would like to completely delete. We're going to do the person and the test person I created. So you'll find that schema, select it, and hit delete. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete this, because it cannot be undone. So you want to be very careful when you permanently delete these that they're not being used in other schemas within your projects, because then it will remove them from the selections and they will not be pulled in when you generate your schema. Hit delete, and then that schema type has been deleted from the database.
This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.